Welcome, Class 11 Biology students. Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of our body's cleanup system, the role of other organs in excretion. While kidneys often get all the credit, many other organs quietly contribute to keeping our internal environment pristine. We'll explore how lungs, skin, liver, and even our gut play vital roles. Get ready for an exciting journey through easy, medium, hard, and hardest levels of understanding this crucial topic. Ready to discover the unsung heroes of your body's waste disposal? Let's start with the basics of how other organs lend a hand. Our bodies are incredible machines, and while kidneys are the primary filters, they're not alone. Think of it like a team effort. The lungs, for example, are crucial for breathing, but they also act like air purifiers, expelling gaseous waste. Our skin, with its sweat glands, helps cool us down, but it also releases some unwanted substances. These organs work together to maintain a healthy internal balance. Moving on to other key players, the liver is a true powerhouse. It's like the body's main processing plant, breaking down old cells, detoxifying harmful substances, and converting waste into forms that can be easily removed. And even our salivary glands, though a minor player, can help eliminate certain compounds. Each organ has a specific role, ensuring that our body efficiently gets rid of waste products. Now, let's test your understanding with a few quick questions. Take a moment to read each one and think about the answers based on what we've just covered. Don't worry if you find them a bit challenging, it's all part of the learning process. Good luck! Alright, let's deepen our knowledge. We'll now explore the specific contributions of these organs in more detail. Our lungs are not just for taking in oxygen, they're also highly efficient at expelling gaseous waste. Every day, they eliminate a significant amount of carbon dioxide, which is a byproduct of cellular energy production. This CO2 removal is vital for maintaining the correct pH balance in our blood. Additionally, our lungs also release a considerable amount of water vapor, especially noticeable on a cold day. The skin, often overlooked in excretion, plays a dual role. Our sweat glands produce sweat primarily to regulate body temperature, but in doing so, they also excrete water, salts like sodium chloride, and small amounts of urea and lactic acid. Furthermore, sebaceous glands, which produce oil, can eliminate some sterols and waxes, though their excretory contribution is generally minor compared to sweat glands. The liver is a true metabolic marvel. It's the central organ for detoxifying harmful substances, converting them into less toxic forms. For instance, it turns toxic ammonia into urea, which kidneys then excrete. The liver also breaks down old red blood cells, converting their hemoglobin into bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin. These pigments are then released into bile and eventually leave the body with feces. Even the gastrointestinal tract helps eliminate certain heavy metals and some drugs. Time to challenge your understanding with some medium-level questions. These questions will require you to think a bit more deeply about the functions and specific substances involved in excretion by these accessory organs. Read carefully, consider all the options, and choose the best answer. You've got this. Ready to dive deeper? Let's analyze the intricate mechanisms and theory behind these organs' excretory roles. The liver's role in excretion is incredibly complex. It acts as the body's primary detoxification center, converting fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble forms, making them easier to excrete. This involves a series of biotransformation reactions. Moreover, the liver synthesizes bile, which isn't just for fat digestion, it's a critical vehicle for excreting cholesterol, degraded hormones, and especially bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin, which are waste products from red blood cell breakdown. Our lungs contribute significantly to maintaining acid-base balance by quickly expelling carbon dioxide, which directly impacts blood pH. This respiratory regulation is a rapid compensatory mechanism for pH imbalances. The skin, through sweating, contributes to electrolyte balance and can become a more significant excretory route for urea in cases of kidney dysfunction. Even salivary glands and the intestinal tract actively excrete specific heavy metals and excess minerals like calcium and iron, highlighting their targeted roles in maintaining homeostasis. The excretory functions of these organs are not isolated, they are deeply interconnected and crucial for overall body homeostasis. For example, the liver's conversion of ammonia to urea directly supports renal excretion. If kidney function is impaired, the other organs, especially the skin, may increase their excretory efforts, albeit to a limited extent. This integrated system ensures that the body can handle a diverse range of waste products and maintain a stable internal environment. Now, let's tackle some hard-level questions. These will require you to apply your knowledge, analyze scenarios, and connect different concepts related to the excretory roles of various organs. Think critically about the mechanisms and interrelationships we've discussed. Take your time and challenge yourself. All right, future medical professionals. It's time to push our understanding to the competitive edge. Prepare for a deep dive into the most intricate details of accessory excretory organs. The liver's metabolic capabilities for excretion are truly extraordinary. It houses the complete urea cycle, a multi-step enzymatic pathway that converts highly toxic ammonia, a byproduct of protein metabolism, into the less toxic urea. Furthermore, the liver employs complex biotransformation pathways involving cytochrome P450 enzymes to metabolize a vast array of xenobiotics like drugs and environmental toxins, making them suitable for excretion. This comprehensive detoxification ensures our body's resilience against chemical insults. Beyond CO2, the lungs are adept at eliminating volatile organic compounds and even certain anesthetic gases, showcasing their unique excretory capacity. Their rapid and adjustable CO2 removal is paramount for dynamic acid-base balance, acting as a crucial buffer system. The skin's sweat glands, specifically eccrine glands, while primarily thermoregulatory, play a subtle yet vital role in electrolyte balance, particularly under conditions of high heat or strenuous exercise, preventing dangerous electrolyte accumulation. The gastrointestinal tract offers a targeted route for the excretion of poorly absorbed heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and cadmium directly into the feces. It also actively regulates the excretion of excess calcium, iron, and phosphates, a process influenced by hormones like parathyroid hormone and calcitriol. Salivary glands, though minor, contribute by eliminating certain drugs, iodine, and even some heavy metals, a pathway sometimes utilized for diagnostic purposes. This multi-organ approach highlights a sophisticated, redundant system for maintaining internal purity. The integrated function of these accessory excretory organs with the kidneys is a testament to evolutionary efficiency, providing robust redundancy and specialized mechanisms for handling diverse waste products. Clinically, understanding these roles is vital. For instance, in severe kidney or liver failure, compensatory mechanisms become evident, like uremic frost on the skin from urea buildup or hepatic encephalopathy due to ammonia. This complex interplay underscores their critical contribution to overall homeostasis and survival. All right, let's test your competitive readiness with these first 5 challenging questions. These questions demand a thorough understanding of the detailed mechanisms, interconnections, and clinical relevance of the accessory excretory organs. Read each question carefully, analyze the options, and apply your comprehensive knowledge. Aim for precision and accuracy. Continuing our challenge, here are the next 5 questions to truly push your understanding. These questions are designed to assess your ability to synthesize information, reason through complex biological processes, and identify the most accurate answers, reflecting the rigor of NEET examinations. Keep up the excellent work and focus on the details. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the role of other organs in excretion. We hope this session has illuminated the incredible teamwork within your body to maintain a clean and healthy internal environment. For more such comprehensive educational content, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for continuous learning. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. See you next time.